And today, special thanks to our friends at Supcase, who were nice enough to send us their Unicorn Beetle case for the 2025 iPhone Air. So inside of this box, nothing else in there. So this is a look at this case. Now, plastic camera control button built in. So this is a look at the Supcase case. Now, as you can see, it does have a camera control button, which is built in right there. Got your power button, volume rockers, and your switch. You've got the, I'll call it a visor, but it's not a visor on a iPhone. And then, of course, down here, your USB-C port. And these are actually mics on the iPhone Air. These are not speakers, they're mics. So, of course, to put your phone in, you would just go, I would go left side buttons first. And then, essentially, you can just kind of clip it around the case like so. Now, as you can see, you've got some really thick corners in case that you were to drop this. You've got some protruding out here to protect your entire camera module. Love that. Every corner is nice and thick. Camera button is great. And then one of the best parts is you have either a ring holder to help hold the phone, or you can use this like a kickstand. So you can watch vertical video like this or horizontal video like that. And then when you're done, you just fold it away. And now you're ready to take your slightly thicker iPhone Air, which is protected now, on the go. Thanks again to my friends at Supcase who were nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.